Welcome to our channel. If you need to get an employer identification number instantly online, follow these step-by-step instructions to obtain your EIN from the IRS. Step 1. Visit the official IRS website at irs.gov and navigate to the EIN application page. Beware of third-party websites that charge fees for this free service. Step 2. Determine if you need an EIN. You need one if you're starting a business, hiring employees, opening a business bank account, or forming a corporation or partnership. Step 3. Review the eligibility requirements for online application. Your business must be located in the United States or U.S. territories, and you must have a valid taxpayer identification number. Step 4. Gather necessary information before starting the application, including your legal name, social security number, or individual taxpayer identification number, business address, and business structure information. Step 5. Click on Apply Online Now on the IRS EIN application page. The system is available Monday through Friday, 7 a.m. to 10 p.m. Eastern Time. Step 6. Complete the online interview-style application by answering questions about your business entity type, reason for applying, and business details. The process takes about 15 minutes. Step 7. Review your information carefully before submitting. You cannot make changes once submitted, though you can contact the IRS to correct errors after receiving your EIN. Step 8. Submit your application and receive your EIN immediately upon completion. Download and print your EIN confirmation notice for your records, as this is your official documentation. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.